Number 1. Quincking system of orchard layout is also known as A. Diagonal system, B. Hexagonal system, C. Rectangular system, D. Contour system. Correct answer is A. Diagonal system, Vikarn Pranali. This layout adds a fifth tree in the center of a square formed by 4 trees, forming a diagonal pattern. ये प्रणाली 4 वृक्षों के वर्ग के मध्य में एक वृक्ष लगाकर विकर्ण आकृति बनाती है. Number 2. Which fruit is useful in curing high blood pressure? A. Jamun, B. Bale, C. Avocado, D. Citrus. Correct answer is A. Jamun. Jamun is rich in potassium and antioxidants, helpful in controlling blood pressure. जामुन में पोटेशियम और एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स अधिक होते हैं, जो रक्तचाप को नियंत्रित करने में सहायक हैं. Number 3. Based on photoperiod, papaya is categorized as A. Long day plant, B. Short day plant, C. Day neutral plant, D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Day neutral plant, दिन तटस्थ पौधा. Papaya doesn't rely on specific day lengths for flowering. पपीता दिन की लंबाई पर निर्भर नहीं करता, इसलिए ये दिन तटस्थ पौधा है. Number 4. Chicken tongue disorder is found in which fruit? A. Lychee, B. Grape, C. Loquat, D. Egg fruit. Correct answer is A. Lychee. Chicken tongue in lychee refers to an underdeveloped seed in lychee, small, dark, and pointed like a chicken's tongue. लीची में यह एक अविकसित बीज होता है, जो चिकन की जीभ जैसा लगता है. Number 5. Which is the seedless variety of mango? A. Langada, B. Alfonso, C. Amrapali, D. Sindhu. Correct answer is D. Sindhu. A hybrid with almost no seed, very thin papery embryo. सिंधु आम में बीज बहुत पतला होता है, जिसे बीजरहित माना जाता है. Number 6. The edible part of potato is A. Root, B. Tuber, C. Rhizome, D. Corm. Correct answer is B. Tuberkand. It's a swollen underground stem that stores food. आलू एक कंद होता है, जो भूमिगत तना है और भोजन संग्रह करता है. Number 7. Vegetable production for local consumption is called A. Market gardening, B. Home gardening, C. Truck gardening, D. Vegetable forcing. Correct answer is A. Market gardening. Vegetables are grown near cities for fresh sale in local markets. शहरों के पास सब्जियां उगाकर स्थानीय बाजारों में बेची जाती हैं. Number 8. Cracking in tomato fruits occurs mainly due to A. High nitrogen, B. Temperature fluctuation, C. Soil moisture fluctuation, D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these उपरोक्त सभी. Tomato cracking is caused by sudden uptake of water, nutrient imbalance, and environmental stress. पानी व पोषक तत्वों में अचानक बदलाव से टमाटर के फल फटते हैं. Number 9. Cold treatment to break dormancy is called A. Scarification, B. Stratification, C. Vernalization, D. Sterilization. Correct answer is B. Stratification. Moist cold treatment to break seed dormancy, especially in temperate crops. बीजों की निष्क्रियता को तोड़ने के लिए उन्हें नम व ठंडे वातावरण में रखा जाता है. Number 10. The art of growing miniature trees is called A. Topiary, B. Ikebana, C. Bonsai, D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Bonsai. Japanese art of growing miniaturized trees in pots. बोनसाई जापान की एक कला है जिसमें छोटे गमलों में बौने पेड़ उगाए जाते हैं. Number 11. Which part of lemongrass is used for oil extraction? A. Leaves, B. Seeds, C. Flowers, D. Fruit. Correct answer is A. Leaves, पत्तियां. The essential oil is extracted mainly from leaves using steam distillation. लेमनग्रास के पत्तों से भाप आसवन विधि द्वारा तेल निकाला जाता है. Number 12. Which irrigation method is most effective in weed control? A. Sprinkler, B. Furrow, C. Basin, D. Drip. Correct answer is D. Drip. Water is given only near roots, surface remains dry, inhibiting weed growth. ड्रिप सिंचाई में केवल पौधों की जड़ों पर पानी दिया जाता है, जिससे खरपतवार नहीं उगते। Number 13. IBA is a commonly used. A. Gibberellins, B. Auxin, C. Canetin, D. 2,4-D. Correct answer is B. Auxin. Indole 3. Butyric acid stimulates root formation in cuttings. IBA एक हार्मोन है जो कटिंग में जड़ वृद्धि को बढ़ाता है। Number 14. Most popular orchid genus grown in northeastern Himalayas is A. Dendrobium, B. Cymbidium, C. Oncidium, D. Cattleya. Correct answer is B. Cymbidium. Cymbidium orchid in northeastern Himalayas thrives in cool climates and is widely grown for cut flowers. Cymbidium orchid ठंडे क्षेत्रों में अच्छा उगता है और कट फ्लावर के रूप में प्रसिद्ध है। Number 15. Most common propagation method in roses is A. Seed propagation, B. Micro propagation, C. T-budding, D. Root cutting. Correct answer is C. T-budding. A bud from the desired variety is inserted into a T-cut on rootstock, efficient and popular. T-budding विधि में इच्छित किस्म की कलिका को मूल पौधे की टहनी में लगाया जाता है।